Okay, so today we are going to create a likes and dislikes self-portrait. So we are going to include things that we like and things that we dislike in our artwork today. Our learning objective for this is to explore personal interests while creating a self-expression of our likes and dislikes. So basically to think about the things that you like, that you're interested in, things you don't like, and create art about both of them. So the way we're going to start is you're going to get a large white piece of paper. You're going to write your name and the day you have art. Day A, day B, day C. You're going to flip it over. And if you want, you can work with a friend. If you want to do it on your own, you're welcome to. I'm going to do it on my own. And what you're going to do is you're going to take and lay down your arm on one side of your paper. And you want your fingers to almost go to the top edge of the paper. Lay down your whole arm, and then you're going to trace. So whenever you're tracing something, you want to keep your pencil perpendicular, straight up and down. You don't want to do it at an angle because then it'll slip underneath. So I'm going to keep my pencil up and down, and I'm going to run it right along the edge of my arm. And I'm going to go around my hand very slowly and carefully and try and trace my hand as neatly as possible. If you would like to work with a partner, what you'll do is lay your arm down, and then your partner will trace your arm and hand for you, and then you will trace your partner's arm and hand for them when they lay their arm down on their paper. So there's my very neat arm. So now I'm going to spin my paper around and do that all over again on the other side. So I get my fingertips up near the top of the paper, lay my arm down on the paper, keep my my pencil perpendicular straight up and down so that I can run the side of the pencil up against the side of my arm and draw very slowly. Try not to move my hand. And it should look like a hand and arm. You can see I've got little wiggles because I have a long sleeve shirt on and my shirt had wrinkles, and that's okay, I can leave those there. If they bothered me, I could erase and smooth this out a little bit, but it really isn't that big a deal to me. So now I turn my paper horizontally. On one arm, I'm going to draw all the things I like, and on the other arm, I'm going to draw all the things I dislike, things I don't like. So you need to think about those things that you like and dislike. Alright, so now we're going to use the objective to create light and dark values. So the way that we're going to create light and dark values is how hard we push with our pencil, and we're going to use colored pencil today. And you're going to need a paper towel and a pencil sharpener to catch your shavings. So on one arm I have all my likes. I wrote out the word turquoise because I like the color turquoise. I like ice cream, cats, dogs, balloons, and actually really birthdays, and pizza. And on my other arm I drew things I don't like: spiders, Brussels sprouts, mean people, go-gurt, and snakes. On the arm with your likes, I want those to be the dark value. I want you to press hard and make a heavy mark. So I'm going to get a turquoise pencil out, and I'm going to press hard with it as I trace over and color the word turquoise. So I'm pressing hard. So my arm of my likes, the things I like, I'm going to make them dark and color them in heavily by pressing hard. Now you want to be careful not to lose the detail. So you're supposed to press hard on the arm with all the things that you like. But if I press too hard when I start to color this in, I'm going to lose the detail of the crisscross lines. I would have lost the detail of the eyes, the back leg, and the tail. So when you color, you're going to press hard on the outline, but then go back and maybe do a medium value on the filling in of the color. And then I would like you to carefully trace around the outline of your hand. And of course, the one that has your likes, you're going to press harder on. So those are my likes. So now I'm going to do my dislikes, and this is going to be done in a light value. So you're not going to press as hard. So I'll do my, since I'm holding the black color pencil, I'm going to do my outline first. So you can see I'm not going to push as hard. Black spider, which is similar to the black cat, but I'm not going to push as hard on my outline, and then I'm going to push even lighter when I fill it in. These are my dislikes, so I'm not pressing as hard. I'm doing a light value, so I'm not pushing real hard with my color pencil. Alright, so here are my likes and dislikes, showing two values, a dark value by pressing hard and a light value by pressing light. You can see the dark value stands out more. That's what catches your eye. That's what you see first. And so those should be your likes, the things that you really like. And the things that you dislike should kind of fade in the background and be lighter and not catch our eye first. So you'll have one arm that's dark and bright and vibrant because you pressed really hard and you colored neatly. And then one arm that's lighter and subtle that you colored neatly, but you just didn't color as darkly.